Can the Congress explain these kickbacks paid under the UPA, which it was a lead element of between 2007 and 2012? Because the Congress has been beating its chest and attacking the BJP over the Rafale deal. But Mediapart, whose own reports the Congress has been flaunting for many months and years now, says those kickbacks were paid during the Congress regime. Does Mediapart's article establish payoffs for Rafale under the UPA regime? Did the Modi government, this is also important, did the Modi government refuse to probe the entire allegations of payoffs despite proofs of these kickbacks being paid, which is what Mediapart is also alleging? And if yes, what was the reason that the Modi government has to not probe these alleged kickbacks under the UPA? We're seeing a lot of politics. Where's the investigation into these payoffs under the UPA government, as is being alleged by Mediapart? And finally, does this latest Mediapart probe put the onus of answers on both the Congress as well as the BJP? And which is more damaging? Which is the more damaging charge? Kickbacks under the UPA or the refusal to probe by the Modi government? So that's really something to think about. Now remember, it's not just Rafale. We're talking about Rafale now because of the Mediapart probe, but Rahul Gandhi, in his reaction to this entire controversy, didn't first tweet about Rafale. Interestingly, he tweeted about the VVIP Augusta Westland chopper deal case, under which the UPA government went into a cloud back in 2013, just before it lost power to the Modi government. Well, that story is also back on the front burner ahead of the winter session of Parliament. The Congress has launched a scathing attack on the Modi government after it has moved to lift a blacklist for procurement on Finmeccanica, the company which owned Augusta Westland and has been dubbed corrupt by the ruling BJP over the Augusta chopper deal case. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi led the attack with his tweet over whether a corrupt Augusta was now clean after being washed in a laundry owned by the BJP. The Congress has accused the BJP of creating a fake bogey of corruption to win the 2014 election, accusing Modi's government of shielding, protecting and promoting Augusta Westland and its parent company Finmeccanica, which has since been renamed Leonardo SPA.
देखिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का भी अजीब काम करने का तौर तरीका है। बहुत से ऐसे राजनेता जिनके खिलाफ सीबीआई, ईडी, एनआईए की जांच हो रही है और वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी में प्रवेश कर जाते हैं और सब साफ हो जाता। इसी तरह की हरकत ऑगस्टा वेस्टलैंड जो कंपनी है, पहले इसको डिबार किया गया, ब्लैक लिस्ट किया गया, इनको भ्रष्ट माना गया, जैसे राहुल जी ने कहा, बताया है, और अब उस पर बैन हटा दिया गया है। अब वो सब पाक साफ हो गई है और इस तरह से लॉन्ड्री से साफ करने का तरीका भारतीय जनता पार्टी का अजीब है। और अब आगे देखिएगा इनको क्या लाभ पहुंचाने का कोई सिलसिला बनता है या वैसे ही है।